Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are plunging straight into a hot topic, how to use Airtable for grant application management, the full 2025 guide. Let's kick off by creating a new base. This will serve as the main hub for all our grant application data. It's crucial because it allows us to gather all necessary information in one place. To do that, click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. Name it something like Grant Management 2025. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create tables for each important aspect of your grant application process. You might want to create tables for applicants, grants, and reviews, for instance. The reason we do this is to categorize our data in a way that is easy to navigate and manage. Once your tables are set, let's move on to creating fields. These are specific categories within your tables that store different types of information. For instance, in the Applicants table, you could have fields like Name, Contact Info, Proposal, and Status. This helps us because it further organizes our data and makes it easier to find specific information when we need it. Next up, we're going to link our tables together using the Link to Another Record field type. This is where the magic happens. This feature allows us to connect related information across different tables. For instance, you can link an applicant to a specific grant in your Grants table. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is creating a relational database that allows you to see how different parts of your grant application process intersect. After you've linked your tables, it's time to use Airtable's views. Views are alternative ways to look at your data. For instance, you can create a calendar view to track deadlines or a Kanban view to visualize your application process. The importance of this step is that it gives you the ability to manipulate your data to fit your specific needs. And just like that, you've set up a grant application management system using Airtable. Don't forget to use the Share button to invite your team members to collaborate. Remember, the flexibility and simplicity of Airtable make it a perfect tool for managing your grant application process. That's it for today, folks. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find that Airtable can truly revolutionize how you manage grant applications. Keep practicing, explore more features, and you'll be an Airtable pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.